priority. Yun nga, hard lessons talaga before. I'm not, hindi ko yun ipagbabato or i-risk. It's my mental health nga. So, if kahit mental health mo disrupted, hindi ka talaga okay. So, given na siguro na what I have experienced in UP, yun nga, they shaped me for who I am now. Just the personality, the character na I'm strong. I think nakuha ko yun from my experiences. So, it's part of being a student athlete eh. Akas mo yan. Sarili mo yan. Ingatan mo. You have to take care of yourself. Yun talaga yung pinaka-hardest lesson na nangyari ko. Kasi I was giving all out. Parang pouring everyone else's cup. Wala na ako natitira. So, paano ako magpo-pour? Wala na ng laman. So, yun nga, it's a really big thing if you can be able to shift your mindset. Yes, mahirap, but you have to acknowledge it. Na, this is a challenging situation. Parang feel ko nahihirapan ako or frustrated ako or ina-anxiety ako. For me, I have to acknowledge it na, there are bigger things. Kaya siguro ako na worry. So, yes, I acknowledge that. But then, I have to keep on going. Kasi, lagi kang mag-worry if there's uncertainty. But you wouldn't know if you wouldn't try. So, sige, pasok tayo kahit ano mangyari. And for me kasi, yun nga, I learned how to filter noise. Sa mga bashers, I would say, yun na lang talaga yung iniisip ko na hindi nila alam pinagdadaanan niya. Hindi nila alam yung mga pinagdadaanan ng athletes. Most especially kasi wala naman sila sa posisyon namin. And hindi mo kasi control yung ibang tao. They're gonna say whatever, kung anong gusto nilang sabihin. If they hate you, criticize you, whatever it is. But then, may boundary din nun. I think the volleyball community especially, some talaga medyo masakit magsalita, diba? Kasi very volleyball fan, siguro nasusway na emotions. But and sometimes they forget na we're also human. We feel things too. We have emotions. Napapagod din kami. Napapagod din yung ibang players. And yung progress, yung paglalaro, yung performance, it's not linear na pangat ka ng pangat. There are days na sobrang ganda ng laro mo. The next day, wala kang laro. Another day, hindi mo feel. But the next day, you feel better. You feel like it's your best. So it's not always pataas. And yun na siguro talaga na I learned to focus on myself, focus on the things na nagmamatter. Kasi, ano ba yung, minsan iniisip ko na lang na, hindi naman yun nakakatulong sa akin. So why would I parang take it in? Sabihin na nila kung anong gusto sabihin nila. I have my goals. I have my, parang kami mga players, we have friends, we have families na nakakilala sa amin. So, it shouldn't, yung mga sinasabi nila masama, it shouldn't define us as athletes. Kasi, if hater talaga sila. So, wala ka nang magagawa doon. But for me, kasi I feel like ma-achieve ko na yung ultimate goal ko, which is to graduate. Mahirap din yung pinagdaanan ko, like yung process going there. So, I have to, kailangan ko talaga pangalagaan yun.